Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're gonna take a trip back in time, 'cause it's a flashback. And that's right, we're gonna sit there and make something from all of our childhoods that we all loved and adored. But it is a creamsicle jello salad. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine so you can swing right onto my kitchen and we can get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because I'm gonna sit there and do a little flashback to my childhood, and it revolved around a lot of side dishes that were made from jello, and one of my favorites was a creamsicle salad. Now this creamsicle salad, it tasted just like them creamsicles that you would get from the ice cream man. Now, what you would be needing is one small box of orange jello. What brand you choose, I don't care. You just need orange. So I'm going to go ahead, open up the package of orange jello. I'm going to sit there and add it to my dish here. Now, folks, I know you're all freaking out looking at this large can of mandarin oranges. No, we're not using it all. I just need 11 ounces out of this large can, and there's plans for the rest of this large can. I'll be bringing you along to show you what I do use it for. And again, I buy a lot of my things all in bulk, and again, this would be another one, but for purposes of the video, I'm just showing you how to sit there and use what you would be going to the store and be buying. So that was one package of orange gelatin. Now add 1 cup of boiling water. Here's my boiling water. Now, just 1 cup, remember. Oh boy. And I lost my glasses too. I always sat there and made fun of my husband when my husband would lose his. And here, I lost mine, and that was 1 cup. So I'm gonna sit there, grab a spoon, go ahead, mix yours all up until all the gelatin is dissolved, and we'll be coming right back after all the gelatin inside your bowl is dissolved. After your gelatin is all dissolved, go ahead, add 1 cup of cold water, mix that all in, and then we're just going to put this in the refrigerator for at least 20 minutes. So I'm going to go get my 1 cup of cold water. Add your 1 cup of cold water, stir that all up. Put it in the fridge, 20 minutes. 20 minutes have gone by. Now, you're gonna need a small package of the vanilla pudding. Now you can use this route, or if you buy it in bulk like I do, just mix yourself up a small package. So, we're just gonna open up this package of vanilla pudding, and we're gonna sit there and add it straight to the gelatin that we just removed from the refrigerator, and we're gonna whisk all of the vanilla pudding right into the orange gelatin. Now you're going to want to sit there and mix that all up until everything is all nice and smooth. Then we're going to sit there and set it back off to the side inside of the refrigerator for an additional 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back and we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So continue to mix this all together until everything is all creamy, smooth and creamy. So I'll see you in a few. Now you're going to be needing 11 ounces of the mandarin oranges. Like I told you, you're not going to use this big can. But I don't have a small can, so I have to open up a number 10 can just to get the 11 ounces. But don't worry, I have good uses for this bad boy. You're gonna need 1 cup of the miniature marshmallows, and we're gonna be needing a small tub of the whipped cream, or you can do like I do, and I make my own whipped cream, and that's why I have my whipped cream dispenser out with some heavy whipping cream. And I'm gonna open up my can of mandarin oranges, and I'm gonna get out 11 ounces of the mandarin oranges. I added 11 ounces of mandarin oranges. Now add 1 cup of the miniature marshmallows. Now I added the marshmallows, the mandarin oranges, our Cool Whip. Now let's just finish off folding all this together, and we're gonna put this back off into the fridge until we're ready to serve it. Oh my God, I don't think I can wait that long.
Looks good, Mom.
Thank you. It tastes even better.
I know.
Like I say, the hardest part is just sitting there leaving it sit.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, off to the fridge it goes.
Now,
Wasn't that easy to sit there and make such a delicious creamsicle jello salad, especially for Easter? I know, right? Be sure to make your family this creamsicle jello salad this Easter. I'm pretty sure they would all enjoy it. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please leave a comment down below. Give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to share this video with others. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now. You hear? Happy Easter.